Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove your house pictures from Zillow. Okay, so for this tutorial, there are actually two different Zillow workflows. Now, depending on whether the house is simply your claimed home or whether you posted an active rental listing through Zillow Rental Manager. Now, since you're all right, all right, so because this tutorial or since this tutorial is focused on Zillow Rental Manager, I'm just going to cover the rental listing workflow first, then briefly explain the other case. So open your desktop browser and go to Zillow Rental Manager, which is where we are. Waiting for the page to load up. If you're not signed in, ensure you sign in using your Zillow account. So once you're inside the Zillow Rental Manager, we're going to head over to the properties page where we're going to just push in from there. So this is the properties page. Now go ahead and find the property whose pictures you want to remove and click on it. So this is actually going to take you, once you click on it, it's going to take you to the properties management page. On the properties page, if it has already been listed, just head over to listing, right, and click on listing. If it has already been listed, you're going to see an option called edit right next to the listing or right next to the property. So just click on listing, and Zillow, if the listing isn't currently okay, if the listing is active, this is actually inactive. It's active, you're going to see edit, and once you click on edit, it's going to take you to the full property details where you can now remove pictures. All right, but then if the listing isn't currently active, Zillow may instead display list my property before allowing you to edit the property card. So come over here, it's inactive, right? So you can just go ahead and click on resume, and it's going to take you to the listing editor. Okay, so right, I'm on the media page. So let's say you are on other pages here. What you're just going to do is to go back, or click on back, or click on next, depending on where you left from. All right, and just ensure that you're right on media, because it's in the media section that you can remove pictures. So just look through uploaded photos. This was inappropriate or relevant. Okay, so just look for the photo, and once you check the photo, you're going to see an option, all right, that allows you to actually delete the photo. Now, if the interface presents a remove or delete control for that photograph, just select it and confirm the removal. So by clicking on delete photo. Now, Zillow's current rental manager documentation confirms that photos are managed within the listing editor, which is here, alongside other listing information such as price, description, beds, baths, and amenities. So if you want to edit or delete other things, you can just go ahead, click on back or click on next until you get to the exact tab where the detail is and delete. But since this particular tutorial is centered around deleting photos, this is just where you come, tap on the photo, click on delete photo, and the photo will be removed. So once it's removed, you can just go ahead and click on next until you publish, or if you just want to leave it here, click on save and exit, and it takes you right into this. So all of those pictures that we posted there have already gone, and they're no longer here. So go over tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.